Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the oven door handle or drawer handle on this Frigidaire Induction range, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. If you're replacing the handle on the oven door, fully open the door. Then use the flathead screwdriver to help rotate the hinge locks forward. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Set the door handle side down on a towel or blanket. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the door handle. With the screws unthreaded, you can set the old handle aside. To install the new door handle, first make sure the top edge of the door assembly is accessible. Then reinsert the screws in the door if required. Now properly align the new handle and thread the screws into the handle to secure. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position. Then rotate the hinge locks back. If you're replacing the handle on the lower drawer, open the drawer and use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws to release the drawer handle. Properly position the new handle on the drawer front and thread and tighten the two mounting screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the induction range should be ready for use.